Hey y'all, welcome to Humming Catfish. Today we're making deer liver jerky for Grimm here. So grab your deer liver, put on your apron, and let's go. With deer season being about 2 weeks away here in Alabama, I decided I needed to go through the freezer and found one of the livers that I had yet to make for Grimm's jerky. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. This is partially frozen. I just took it out this morning. So I'm just gonna make some slices like that. Not too thick because you want it to be able to dry out. Here we are the next day. It went the 9 hours in the dehydrator, and then I just left it in there overnight, and here we are. So I'll show you what we got. So we have the 2 full pans, and here is what's left of the third, because Grimm couldn't wait. Here he comes again. He knows I'm talking about his treats. All right, so we're just gonna take these off. Okay, you can stop at this point if you want, but I like to cut them into smaller sizes. Makes them last longer. That's all I got for y'all today. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you like what I'm doing, I surely would appreciate you subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button. So, see y'all later.